Hi, it's Steph here, and today I'm going to take you briefly into an introduction for Leads Page Plus. And this is the front page, and as it says here, get paid to give this away for free. Now this is quite a brilliant system. I love it. And it says build a monthly income of 10,000 plus within 90 days. Watch the video. It's a built-in marketing system, a complete built-in done-for-you marketing system. You can create capture pages. There's a custom text editor with preloaded templates. It integrates with the popular autoresponders Trafficwave, Aweber and GetResponse. You can add video to your capture pages. It's got Facebook tracking, marketing graphics such as Facebook covers, banners and more. And all you need to do is sign up and share your link. And inside there's a few things you're able to do, like the capture pages. I'm going to log in and take you a quick run through. Members login, top right, come to that page, and this is the overview page. If you ever want to get back to this, you just click on the home button, and this gives a brief intro, how to do it in 3 separate steps. Join the featured program, Pure Profit Pro and or My Daily Choice. You don't have to, but if you're looking to build more income, have a look at these 2 programs. At the moment I'm not in Pure Profit Pro, but I am in My Daily Choice, and I love the products, and I'm amazed at how well the oils are working. Well, that's for another video. Then number 2, start promoting your affiliate referral link to the system. So basically, if you're in either of these, you're getting people into this system who may sign up for them programs. And I do know this works because I've had a few leads come through to My Daily Choice. You can use our traffic resources or others suggested within the programs. Number 3, when you give this lead capture page system away for free, your referrals will log in and be able to join through your affiliate link. So look at step 1, and that is giving you more details on the Pure Profit Pro products. That's a mouthful. Pure Profit Pro products. I think there's a name for things like that. Anyway, that one gives you 100% commissions, and you can earn a 6-figure income. Step 2 is a passive income, which is My Daily Choice. Discover how My Daily Choice can change your financial future now. This is Stephen. He's a great leader. He interacts with everyone. He does tutorials, you name it. This is the owner, Josh, I think he's called. I can't pronounce the surname of the company. Great video to watch, and a description. And you see here where it says click here to see the marketing system. That will take you, if you sign up under me and you decide to join MDC, that will take you to my details, nobody else's. But if you join MDC, you put your affiliate link in the back office of Leads Page Plus, and anyone joining clicks on there, it'll be taken to your affiliate link for MDC. Plus, let's say you join someone else up for Leads Page Plus, they see this marketed system and you've not upgraded, then it passes up to me. So if you join, your affiliate link's in, the next person comes in but doesn't join it, but someone joins him in Leads Page Plus and joins MDC, it will pass up to your affiliate link. And like I say, that is converting very well. Step 3, your links. So this is your links for MDC. You put your affiliate link in there, well, your username in this case, and you can create your own capture page in this system. What's this one? You can put the YouTube ID in there and use this capture page. I'm going to click on this link and show you. And there's the built-in capture page you can use, but it will be with your affiliate link. That's Robert Hollis. That's another big marketer for MDC. Look at that. Take a free tour. Anyone signs up, it's under your referral link, but you have to be a member of MDC. That's how that works. It tells you how to set it up. Join My Daily Choice, purchase a domain, the autoresponders optional, and drive traffic. And then there's resources. Aweber, Get Response, ClickMagick. I've not heard of ClickMagick before. Screencast-O-Matic. Now that's what I'm using here today to record this. Trafficforme.com, MLMleads.com, and SMS broadcast traffic. So that's all the different resources. Next page, affiliate. This is your referral links to Leads Page Plus, and as you can see, there's 2. I'll show you them quickly. There's one, and there's the other. But you don't have to use them. You can create your own if you want to. If you're more creative, I'll show you where you can do that in a second. Then you've got tools. So you've got My Leads. Facebook, that's the pixel. Google, that's to do with some tracking. Banners is your banners for Leads Page Plus. I won't click on My Leads, but what this is doing is collecting you leads, and you can use them emails as follow-up. You can use them to send them a follow-up to another program you're in. But on this program you can earn 60% commissions. That's on your first month, plus 50% residual. So if someone signs up, you'll get 60% commissions. If they pay the month after and the month after, you're getting 50% each time. And now, it wasn't like this before, but any member can earn, whether you're free or paid member. And you can promote Leads Page Plus for free and earn commissions. From Leads Page Plus, you will have to insert your JVZoo affiliate ID under the affiliates page and update it. Plus, you'll have to get approval to Leads Page Plus in the back office of JVZoo. Then from there, I'll just show you the banners. You're free to create your own banners, but there's banners here you can use, and these do convert quite well as well. I've had quite a good success with these banners. And then next, this is the bit where you create your capture pages. So first off, we'll take you into a new page. Now as you can see here, I'm allowed 50 pages. As a free member, it's 5. If you want more, you will have to upgrade. And you have 2 styles of templates. But once you're in the back, well, I'll take you in one in a second. But you can also create share codes or accept share codes off other people. We tend to give out a lot of share codes because it brings people in then they can change that landing page to what they desire, and they can give it out and get other people in. You've also got 50 bridge pages. I've not actually played around with the bridge page yet, but what the bridge page is, it's you start with your capture page, leads to the bridge page, to the sales page. Once again, you can enter share codes. Oh yes, I'll just click on one of these. So here, to create a page, you've got your settings where you put your page title. Your page title is, I'm just going to push the picture up. Whatever you put here in page title is going to show up here, like capture page design or watch this video. So think carefully about what you want to put there. The notes only you can see, and page after opt-in. So that could be your Lead Page Plus affiliate link. If you're in My Daily Choice, it can be your affiliate link to there, etc. If you just want your Lead Page Plus one, you just click that button and it inserts it. If you don't have an autoresponder, now I believe you need to be an upgraded member to use the autoresponder, but don't quote me on that. Otherwise, just use our system. Show name, then go to design. You can either use the pre-made buttons or choose your own, create your own. Same with the background. You can use the gallery images, and there's quite a few. Show you a couple. Bedroom set. Some nice ones in there, or you can use your own. And then you've got the form style, obviously your usual centre, left, right, animation on your click button, and you can add a YouTube ID there. You can also text, create whatever text you want there. I'll then go over to, obviously you have to press create afterwards, capture pages. Right. Sorry, it's not letting me do it. There you go. So here's one that Tammy made earlier. I'll just click on it and you get an idea. This was done for Webtalk, designed for Webtalk. And from that, you can create the code and pass it out to your team. You can go on edit, put your referral link into Webtalk, or if you wish to change the page slightly to another program, you've got the design and text editor there. So you can adjust the image as you want. So for example, that one, if you don't like what's written here, just click on there, click on text and change your text. Simple as that. Now, no point in me showing you bridge pages because I've not created any. On support, you've got the contact, your account details, the FAQs and your upgrade. I don't know why. I think because of, oh, there we go. And there's what you get. For a free account, you've got your program affiliate links and your capture pages. You haven't got bridge pages as a free member, so you need to be an upgraded member. For the autoresponder, upgraded member, and for 50 capture pages you need to be a paid member. $17 a month, or if you pay yearly you can save $87. And don't forget, if you're pushing this out and someone upgrades under you, if you've applied to be an affiliate, you're getting 60% or 50% on the yearly one. On the second month and so on, you'll get 50%. So it's free to join. You've got nothing to lose, only things to gain, even if you only want the 5 capture pages. Sign up, links below. That's my brief overview. I hope to see some of you come on in. Thanks for watching.